Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Tensions everywhere. People scamper for safety as unknown hoodlums breaks into the My 12, destroys facilities. This one na Lagos now, and not be the matter of unknown gunmen again. This one na unknown hoodlums. Let me tell you now, unknown hoodlums. In the southeastern part of Nigeria, na unknown gunmen. Now they get there. In the north, na unknown gunmen. Then in the southwestern part, when be Ekokbakba, Lagos. In My 12, say people scamper as some unknown hoodlums break into My 12, destroy facilities. Not be facility, facilities, now they tell you. Okay, now, before we go into these tensions everywhere, make we take a look on waiting somebody like Femi Adesina and some members of Senate, some senators, they yarn about Enyinna Abaribe. When they claim say na Enyinna Abaribe, the well-respected Enyinna Abaribe of Biafran people, of all Biafrans, say na him stand as a shorty for our leader, when be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB worldwide. So somebody like Femi Adesina don't come claim say Enyinna Abaribe supposed to be in prison by now for failing to provide Nnamdi Kanu. Say that they claim say Nnamdi Kanu jump bail. Alright? Nnamdi Kanu jump bail. All of us know how and the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is not in Nigeria today. APC people and PD people, then be fraudsters, then be liars from the pit of hell. All of us know who them be. We know how they play. We know how they lie. We know how they play all their dirty games that they play in that country when be Nigeria. Something when be A, they go call them Z. Something when clean as snow, they go say a dirty thing. So, Nnamdi Kanu, we know the reason why Nnamdi Kanu not in Nigeria. But APC people, they keep on claiming, say, Nnamdi Kanu jump bail. So therefore, they won't go arrest Abaribe. Remember, say Abaribe na Senate minority leader. Okay? So, then they claim, say, Enyinna Abaribe, na him make Nnamdi Kanu jump bail because he's a shorty for the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Now, APC they know say they don't lost the fight. PDP know say they don't lost the fight. Aso Rock know say Nigeria don't crumble on top their hands. PDP know say Nigeria don't crumble. APC and PDP, anytime when they talk about APC, we are talking about PDP as well. Because PDP people, now no go area Nigerian people. Don't let them to deceive you with anything from PDP or APC. These are evil people when we get in Nigeria. Everything when APC they do today, now PDP people, now then teach them. Now then show them how to rob Nigerian people blindly. Then the APC become overmaster the whole game. Remember, some American people don't tell us, say, the money when they loot under President Muhammadu Buhari. In fact, now the Senate, the senators, they won't call their own Buhari. According to them, they won't summon their own Buhari, the dead one. Now they want someone from the grave, making contact them. How they contact do some fraud, some particular fraud. The news come out today. When they claim say they want summon Buhari, remember say they don't still claim say they want impeach Buhari. Anything when American people they do. Now, that they try to copy, but they always fail because they don't get any single strategy. Everything about Nigerian politicians, when the APC people went on board now, most especially, they be dangerous people. Everything about them are fraud. Their name na fraud. Their establishment na fraud. The way when they take win na fraudulent way when they take claim say that then they into that position. They never win any election free and fair in that country when be Nigeria. They never win any election. See me and see you, man on man, organic people. Come vote for them. Say, okay, these are organic crowds when vote for APC or PDP. No. Everything is rigging. With police, with army, they steal ballot balls, they use their talk, they do all sorts of nonsense. Now, so they take win election in Nigeria. So then they claim, say, any Nabaribe, say they won't arrest any Nabaribe for, say, now because of fan. Now I'm making the Kano. Remember, say, this will not be the first time when I begin to talk this, you know. And then Nnamdi Kanu don't dey London now. Years now. Some good years now Nnamdi Kanu don't dey London without coming to Nigeria. And the first time when Nnamdi Kanu go, they try to begin to bring some kind of things, call some lawyers, they do some wuru, and at the end of the day, the thing can't die down. Now again at the moment, they can't realize, say, Nnamdi Kanu don't truly destroy Nigeria. They can't realize, say, man, under our nose, this man, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, truly crumble the zoo. Remember, say before, the Oduduwa people, they know they follow this agitation of a thing. They know they follow the Oduduwa of a thing. They beckon their hope on Tinubu before. But at the end of the day, after listening to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, they realize a lot of things. They realize their mistake. They realize that Tinubu is not someone that they can vote for or they can follow. They now know, say, no Yoruba man can save them from the hand of the Northerners. They realize, say, Northern people, they be the problem of that Nigeria till tomorrow. That is why Sunday Igboho, after listening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the thing can sink into his brain, and he got to do what he got to do for the Oduduwas to survive. Otherwise, the oligarchy people, when they tell them, when be the Fulani Janja with people, when we don't know where they come from, then go take over Yoruba land. If Sunday Igboho failed to save Yoruba people. Now, the FG people, led by Femi Adesina and his cohort, when be Gabashehu. Now then they rule Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. This will not be a joking matter. A country want to say on a get president. Now only Buhari say, we dey hear. Nobody they see the Buhari. Nothing. Nobody they see the Buhari. You know why they don't want all these things to happen? You know the reason why when they don't want make people go do this revolution? You know the reason why they try to make sure they stop all this Biafran thing and Oduduwa, which we already know say they already failed. They know say they're not fit handle it again. They know say everything done scatter for their hands. They know say Buhari not there. They know. Even the issue when they raised recently about say they want impeach, they want do this and that, now to deceive Nigerian people. Oh, Buhari don't go home, go relax. Oh, Buhari don't go, they live like normal citizens. They know say if people rise today, say that breeze when they blow, now when breeze blow, you know what they see now. So that breeze blow, that is if people rise up en masse today, that is the end of Aso Rock. And that Buhari, where they don't take lie to us for 2017, they come, they no go see and provide, give Nigerian people. The Buhari no come speak now. Person when they speak, how can a dead man speak? How can senators they claim say they want someone, a dead person? All these things now the thing when they verse in Nnamdi Kanu. And now the things when they verse IPOB worldwide. And now the thing when don't continue to verse the Yoruba people, because now Yoruba people don't realize that it's Oduduwa people. People when they agitate for Oduduwa, they don't realize, say, man, this thing when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they yarn every now and then they remind them. They don't check them in and out consistency. They think not true. Even with the situation in Nigeria at moment, don't prove to not only Nigerian people, the whole world say Buhari don't die long time as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu expose it. Now so it be. So Somebody like Femi Adesina, when they don't loot our money finish, he go get the God to they come out to the Nyan say they won't go arrest Abaribe. For what you go arrest Abaribe? You don't arrest Gumi. You don't arrest Arufai. Have you arrested Pantani? All those criminals when they in the northern part of Nigeria, have you arrested them? He say you want arrest Abaribe. Oh, you try am now. So now so then claim, ladies and gentlemen, say they won't go find Abaribe, they won't begin to attack Abaribe, making go provide the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. That is nonsense. The problem when they for granted, they don't know how they want to tackle the problem of insecurity. When we say that the same them. When we Femi Adesina, Gabashehu, all of them when they for Aso Rock there, including Mamanda Ora, all of them gather together, bring this insecurity, take bath Nigerian people. Because they're not they hide them in China television. Say them bring these people to use them rig election. After rigging election, now the agreement when they make with APC people, they can't claim say APC people can't fail them. Now they can't carry arms. Now him be the unknown gunmen and when the southeastern part of Nigeria, unknown gunmen they everywhere, kidnappers they everywhere. As I'm speaking right now, that they tell us say they carry trucks full with these bandit people, these terrorist people, inside Abuja, then drop them inside Abuja today. So as soon as say Nigerian people no go sleep, then the thing where una carry on a hand go put inside when be the unknown government and the terrorists, Femi Adesina, una go bear. Now una don't scatter our country by ourselves. So anything when they happen, so we wish all of una, when be APC people, when no one tell Nigerian people the truth of this Buhari of a thing, we wish all of una good luck. So make una leave Abaribe alone, leave Mazen Nnamdi Kanu alone, give us our Biafra, give Oduduwa people their Oduduwa, because you can't be patching this one Nigeria again. Una not dey patch this thing during the time of Obasanjo they come. Una not fit patch again. So things have really fallen apart. And the center can no more hold. All those on our propaganda, it not work again. Today, the people, the full people, when they inside Aso Rock, they don't know what they want to tell Nigerian people again. They don't know how they want to take lie again. They don't not say anything when they can't talk. Now they hold any water again. They no say, na problem. Big problem na in the day. All those ones when they come they write garbage. They give people, they read. Now just like Barry mind. They cross their mind. But that mind when they cross, not be them there. Even inside their offices, not be them sit down there. Not be them sit down there because you know say, now problem. They don't create people for grant. They know say, now them use their hand. Scatter that Nigeria. Make we take a look. Make we see how they tell us say tension full everywhere. Everywhere tension. Say some people can't scam herself join for safety. As unknown hoodlum. As like I said before, not be unknown government again. Unknown hoodlums breaks into the My 12. Destroy facilities. You don't see something. These are the Lagos so. These are the Lagos, not be Biafra again. It happen in the north, it happen in the east, it happen in the south, it happen in the west. Why? Because of your government. The failure of your government to put things in place for the masses. Now the cause of this things. The time when Boko Haram start, now so they lie. They don't catch the man when they lead Boko Haram. They don't tell us say they don't catch him like 10 times. The Buhari government don't come tell us say Buhari. Their government, APC people, they don't come tell us say they don't defeat this Boko Haram more than 20 times. Boko Haram still there. Ansaru conjoin. It can't even get branches full everywhere. Then they call Abaribe. Then they call Nnamdi Kanu. They call Sunday Igboho. Then they call Biafran people. Make all of them shut up. Make them shut up. Make we hear, ladies and gentlemen, we read a little bit. We see how it take happen in Lagos again. Disturbing report coming from Lagos State has it that My 12 in Kosovo local government area of the state is on fire right now. Many travelers and road users scampered for safety as unknown hoodlums stormed this area, destroying facilities. People, they agitate now, bad. They want the Oduduwa nation. They don't want to associate themselves with Fulani again. May Fulani just carry their load to go anywhere where they come from. These Fulani people, they are foreign people, not Nigerian people. Now, they won't choose us when be indigenous people of Nigeria, out from Nigeria. They won't chase us, pursue all of us, enter inside there. Only God know where they won't chase us go. Only God know where the Northerners won't chase us go. The Fulani people. In a viral video, many cars can be seen reversing while pedestrians also can be sighted running for their lives as situation gets worse. The cause for this uprising is yet to be known as at the time of filing this report. Now, uprising everywhere now. You tell me, Femi Adesina, they can't talk nonsense. Instead of them to even una go see what we are look for. Una go see. Remember, say we don't want these people before about this their evil doings. What they do to Nigerian people? They don't want to hear what. Until tomorrow, people keep on calling this their Buhari name to speak out. The man refused to come out now because not be Buhari now. You don't see something. Somebody when they tell us say they speak Fufu Day, suddenly Fufu Day disappear from his brain. And they can't La Muhammad when Sabi lie. Can't say something disconnects for the man brain. Now he make a knock on the Sabi they speak the Fufu Day again. And Nigerian people buy them. Anything when they tell us we buy them. But now we are not buying any single thing again. Whether not true, whether not lie, when FG they can't tell us again, we not buy nothing anymore. We don't buy nothing. The only thing when we want now Biafra to come. Biafra. Give us Biafra. Or una go see what una they look for. Unknown government now una invite them. ISWAP now una bring them come. ISIS, Ansaru, all of them. The whole thing what happened in Nigeria. Now these same Fulani people invite them come. Even come make their boss, Mwembi Pantani, the communication minister, a terrorist. When even Gumi come they brag say, everybody know who Gumi be. They brag say if they demote or remove Pantani, say Nigerian people go suffer. In they brag, they threaten Nigerian people. 200 million people. One person they threaten and say, if they remove the man, now they say, terrorists go just, that is, all the whole places where they did, all of them go just root out one time. Now the thing when they tell them, you make una not remove this man, if una remove him, una dey into trouble. Can you imagine? The same Gumi, now he know where bandit today. He go where bandit they come out. They not arrest her, they not ask a question. Till today, DSS, nothing, not near her. And he won't call Abaribe because he bailing Nanekan. Nanekan want to go in house, go kill 28 people. Even killing Mama Joy, killing Papa Joy. He won't go claim say he won't arrest somebody Abaribe. Chineke Bokwa, this man, Hana Bo Femi Adesina. Oko. One love everybody. As if we not get anything when we won't come tell us. More not come to our comment section. More just the nyana mo because I saw a bio things don't really falling apart from these APC people. And that's why you see they don't know that is na rat race now night and day. They don't know where to hide, they don't know what to do. That is everything. I mean, check them out now. Then they tell us say ISWAP. This will not be Boko Haram. ISWAP na group when just break out from Boko Haram. ISWAP they don't use trailer load the enter inside Abuja today. To when they want to go hist their flag inside Asoro where they are Buhari there. You don't see something. So ladies and gentlemen, I say that here we go stop and make una continue to subscribe, make una continue to share, and make una continue to like and love. One love. Bye. See you guys next time.